So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain you about one of the important topic from General Aptitude, that is series formation. In the previous video I have explained you about calendar and clock problem. So in this video we can discuss about the series formation. Very important topic. One question will be from this topic compulsory. So first we should know the definition. And one more thing before going to start, if you want to see the videos like this on the General Aptitude, please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Let us start. Series is the sum of terms of a sequence. So sequence is what? Sequence is a comma separated list of numbers or objects following a special order. So series is the sum of terms of sequence. Sequence is what? The order of the objects or numbers separated by comma. So series formation is the formation of both sequence and series. So there are three types of sequences: number sequence, letter sequence, and symbol sequence. So number sequence, if we want to understand, there are different types of number sequences. So first one, arithmetic sequence. So arithmetic sequence, in mathematical form, if you want to define, successive number are obtained by adding or subtracting a fixed number to the previous number. So fixed number is the common difference of the arithmetic sequence. If you take any of the fixed number, you can either add or subtract the number and you are going to get the series or the sequence, that is we call arithmetic sequence. So let us take the examples to understand, and whatever the common difference is there, that is what arithmetic sequence. So 2, 4, 6, 8, if you take this series or the sequence, we call, here we have two difference, 2 and 4. If you take 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6, 2. So the difference is same, 2 is the difference. Then here in this example, if we take 1, 5, 9, 13. So if 5 minus 1, 4, 9 minus 5, 4. So 13 minus 9, 4. So the difference is same, 4 here 2. So like that, if we add or subtract a fixed number to the previous number, we are going to get a arithmetic sequence. So here also you can go in the decreasing order. 12 minus 10, 2. 8, 10 minus 8, 2. So like that you can try to solve the arithmetic sequences. So geometric sequence. Here the successive number is obtained by multiplying or dividing a fixed number here by the previous number. So the fixed number we call the common ratio of the geometric sequence. So here for example 3, 6, 12, 24. So here we have to take the ratio, because 6 by 3, 2, 12 by 6, 2. So like that, if you take the ratio of the two numbers, the ratio or the whatever the division or multiplication, we have the fixed number 2 here in this sequence. We call that as geometric sequence. So here if you take 10 minus 13, 90, comma minus 270. So 30 by 10, 3, minus 3. 90 by minus 30, again minus 3. So if you take the ratio of the two numbers, if we take the ratio of the fixed numbers, two numbers, we have the fixed number. So that is what we call geometric sequence. So here also, if you take the two number ratio, the common number or the fixed number, we call it that as geometric sequence. So here we have to take the division or multiplication. In arithmetic sequence, we can add or subtract the numbers. So arithmetic geometric sequence. Each successive term is formed by first adding a fixed number to the previous term and then multiplying or dividing it by another fixed number. So here we are combining both arithmetic and geometric sequence. So arithmetic sequence, either we may add or subtract the number. Geometric sequence, either we can multiply or divide. So let us take this series 3, 21, 75, 273. If you want to find the next number, so we have to first take the first number, add one number and multiply by one number, so that you must get the next number 21. So 3 plus 4, 7. 7 into 3, 21. So 21, again you have to add 4 and multiply by 3, you will get 75. So like that you have to solve these examples. 75 plus 4 into 3, again 273. So 273 plus 4 into 3, you will get the next required number in the series, 723. So like that you have to solve the problems on the series formation. Next, geometric arithmetic sequence. Here first we have to either multiply or divide the number and then we have to add a fixed number to get the geometric arithmetic sequence. So let us take here example how we can get the number 13. So we have to multiply 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 10. So if you add 3, you will get 13. So next 13 into 2, 26 plus 3, 29. So like that you can solve and you can find the next number. So 61 into 2 plus 3, that is the required number, 125. Next number in the series. Prime number or the prime sequence. So it is the order set of prime numbers. So prime number is the number which can be divisible by itself. So let us take the example 7, 13, 11, 17, 19. So these all are what example for prime sequence. So here if you take the difference between two prime numbers, how much here? 4. So 19 plus 4, 23. Next number in the series. So like that you can solve the prime sequence. Power series, as the name indicates here, every term will be the nth power of same consecutive numbers. It can be a square, cube or any higher power of the particular sequence or numbers. So let us take example here 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. So like that. It is a square sequence we can call. Cube if you want to do 1 cube, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 9, 3 cube 27. So this is cube series. So 4th power 1, 16, 18, 2, 56. So like that you can solve. Reversal sequence. So reversal sequence, each term will be given as a sequence which can be any of the above mentioned sequence. So you may take the power series or any of the sequences, prime sequence, any of them. Reversal means if you reverse the number 13, 31, 15, 51, 17, 71. So you can just flip the number 1331, 1551. Like that you can write the reversal sequence. So this is for prime number, and this if you take, this is for cube or the square sequence. It is 1, 6, 16, 25, 36, 49. Okay. So you can write the reversal sequence. 2-tier sequence. So the difference of the successive terms can form any of the above mentioned sequence like arithmetic sequence, prime sequence or power sequence. 2-tier means here if let us take the example 1, 4, 10, 9. 4 minus 1, 3. 10 minus 4, 6. So 19 minus 10, 9. So like that you have to subtract the number and you can get the required number. X minus 19 is equal to how much here? If 3, 6, 9, next number will be 12. So X is equal to 12 plus 19, 31. So this is the example for two-tier sequence. Twin sequence, as the name indicates, two sequences are packed into one. So here if you take this complete series, here it involves two sequences, 1, 3, 5, 7. This is one sequence of prime numbers, and here if you take 0, 2, 4, 6, it is the sequence for even numbers. So the next example you can also try to solve multiple of 3, 3, 6, 12, 24. So the next one 1, 3, 5 prime series. So this is the example for twin sequence. Some special sequence. Fibonacci sequence we call, the first two terms are 1, 1 and each subsequent term is the sum of the previous two numbers. For example, first two numbers or the first two terms are going to be 1, 1 in Fibonacci sequence. 1, 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1, 2 plus 3, 5. So like that you can solve this type of sequence. Telescoping sequence. Any sequence where nearly every term with a preceding or following term. Let us take example 1. 1 divided by 1 into 2, comma 1 divided by 2, comma 3. So like that 1 divided by 3, comma 4. This is the example for telescoping sequence. You can also write in the form of figure. If you take in this first circle, if you add all the 4 numbers, you will get the 40. The second circle also. So third circle also. In third circle, what will be the question mark is here? What will be the number appearing in this area? So let us add all the 11 plus 3 11s, and which number you want to find out, you can keep it as x is equal to 40. So x equal to 40 minus 33. You will get 7. So the 7 is the required number. Letter sequence. A number of letters are arranged in a sequence and we are supposed to find the next letter or letters in the sequence. So first you should know the letter, all the letters, alphabet letters A to Z. There are 26 alphabets. So if you give the number in the increasing order, A1, B2, C3, like that up to Z. Z is given as the 26 number. So first you should know the each alphabet having the particular number. So total 26 alphabets. So number also in the increasing order. So here if you see in this box, alphabet has been given in the 5 rows, 5 columns. So if we give the number, so C stands for 3, F stands for 6. So like that they have written the numbers, but here you need to find this number or the alphabet. If you find the number, you can guess the alphabet. So in this row and in this column, you need to find the number. So if you take in this row, each number is having the difference of 3. 23 minus 23. 20 minus 17, 3. So 17 minus 14, 3. So 14 minus 3 will be 11. So 11 is, it stands for K, alphabet K. So the required alphabet is here K. So like that you have to solve the letter sequence. So symbol sequence. A pattern is given for 3 or 4 figures. We have to decide which will be the next figure. So whatever the question will be in the form of 3 or 4 figures, you need to find the sequence there. If you take this circle, it consists of 1 dot, second, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot. It is in what sequence? So like that you should solve the symbol sequence which are in the form of figures. Tips and tricks to solve any of the sequences. We have discussed all the different types of sequence, how you can solve the given any of the given problem related to sequence. So first tips or the trick you should remember here, if the sequence is increasing or decreasing with small increase, there must be addition or subtraction. If you observe the sequence, see if there is a small increase or decrease in the number, then you can consider it as arithmetic sequence. 1 3 5 7, if you see the difference is small, 3 minus 1 2, 5 minus 3 2, so there will be a small increase in number if you do the addition or subtraction. Second tip is to find out the sequence quickly. If the sequence increasing or decreasing with large number, that would be geometric sequence. If you multiply or divide it by the number, then that would be the large number. That's why here that type of sequence relates to geometric sequence. So the next one, increasing, if the sequence is increasing or decreasing with very large number, then that would be power sequence. Because if you take the square of any number, that would be a large number. So then you can guess that as a power sequence. Here is the example. I have given also examples. 36, 6 to the power 2, 6 square 36, 7 square 49. So next one, if not increasing linearly the sequence, then you can guess that as a twin sequence, because twin sequence involves sum of two sequences. So at that time you can guess easily that that is twin sequence. Here is the example, you can try. So the next tip or the trick is, if the second term not formed from the first or third, then the operation is done on another sequence. So the next tip, symbol sequence by observation or eliminate and improbable term. Symbol sequence you can easily guess by observation or eliminate improper term, then you can solve the given sequence. So these all are what the series formation, whether it may be number series, letter series or symbol series. So first you should know what is series and how sequence is going to be formed, and what are the types of sequences, how you can solve any of the given problem related to series.